I've come back specifically for the topic and for John because of the way he works so gently, so clearly, with such respect for everybody and what they're bringing, that you feel completely safe.
John holds a space to allow for what needs attention.
Right from the off, you're straight into it. John was able to build the group very, very quickly.
And there's where the safety and the trust starts to build from the off.
He's sensitive to the issues that are going on, but that he's prepared to challenge and provoke. He doesn't indulge people going off into story. He's very prepared to step in and offer a new perspective.
The endings need to be attended to, even if the belonging was joyful.
I felt like John just saw it, you know what I mean? And it was really natural, him seeing it, and then it felt really kind of comfortable.
His pacing is such that he allows things to drop down a level into the gut.
Celebration of joyfulness in belonging is also important.
John has a real ease about him. I really enjoy his calmness, he's measured, and he will hold the client in their process.
The way it seems to unfold, and John just seems to follow that.
John has done his work here, and that's the biggest qualification of any facilitator.
It's a profound way of working. I've learned something truly significant today.